Welcome to Bike Plus. In this video, we explore the cutting-edge 2025 F-35 Lightning II, the world's most advanced stealth multi-role fighter. Designed for air superiority, precision strike, and joint operations, the new F-35 is more than just a fighter jet. It's a fully networked war machine ready for any battlefield. With dramatic upgrades in speed, stealth, and firepower, the 2025 version takes aerial combat to a whole new level. Combat capabilities: lethal, fast, and smart. The 2025 F-35 brings enhanced agility and faster kill times in combat scenarios. With its upgraded engine thrust and advanced flight control systems, the aircraft can maneuver through tight airspace and execute high G-turns with ease. In dogfights, its superior situational awareness and instantaneous target lock capability give pilots a decisive edge. Armed with a wider variety of next-gen weapons, including AIM-260 long-range air-to-air missiles and precision-guided bombs, the Lightning II can strike targets in the air and on the ground with unmatched precision. It can engage multiple enemies simultaneously while staying undetected, making it one of the deadliest jets in modern warfare. Stealth and surveillance: attack without a trace. The biggest advantage of the F-35 remains its stealth technology. The 2025 model features improved radar-absorbing coating and infrared signature reduction. This allows it to fly deep into enemy territory without being picked up by radar. It also includes advanced electronic warfare systems that can jam enemy sensors, disrupt communications, and disable air defense networks before striking. With its state-of-the-art distributed aperture system and updated sensor fusion, the pilot receives a 360-degree view of the battlefield in real time. This creates a powerful tactical advantage, giving Allied forces superior battlefield intelligence. Interoperability: a global force multiplier. Another major improvement is the 2025 F-35's enhanced interoperability. Integrated with the latest NATO and Allied military systems, the Lightning II now functions as a central node in joint operations. It can share real-time data with ships, ground forces, and other aircraft, enabling coordinated attacks and superior mission planning. Whether flying solo or in squadrons, the F-35 turns every battle into a networked assault. Survivability and adaptability. The 2025 upgrade boosts survivability with reinforced airframe durability, improved countermeasures, and better pilot protection systems. In contested environments, it adapts quickly to mission demands, whether it's stealth bombing, electronic warfare, or close air support. Its modular design also means upgrades can be easily installed to counter emerging threats, making it future-ready. Conclusion: born for battle. The new 2025 F-35 Lightning II isn't just a step forward, it's a leap into the future of air combat. With unmatched stealth, firepower, and technology, it redefines what it means to dominate the skies. From stealth missions to dogfights, the F-35 is designed to win every fight, every time. Thanks for watching Bike Plus. Stay tuned for more updates on the world's most advanced fighting machines.